Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to switch structure section. Okay, so in this in this sections, okay, I made some amendments. Okay, on the slide. Okay, so you can also make the same. Okay, on your slides. Okay, so switch structure is an alternate to if else. Okay, so we will evaluate a switch expression. Okay, the expression for switch. Okay, it is use data type integral. Okay, switch, case, break, and default reserve words. Okay. Okay, the value that we obtain from expression, okay, will determine which corresponding action is taken. So let's say the value of expression is similar to case value 2, we will execute the statement, okay, following the case value 2. Okay. So expression is sometimes called the selector. Okay, we look to the next slide. Okay. So one or more statement may follow case label. Okay, case label actually is another term for case value. Okay, so this is similar like if else. Okay, we can have compound statement or multiple statement. So however, for case, okay, braces are not needed. For switch, okay, braces are not needed to turn multiple statement into a single compound statement. Okay, so that is the difference between switch and if else. Right, the break statement may or may not appear after each statement. So break statement is an optional. Okay. So we look to this figure. Okay, we represent switch structure using flowchart. So we will evaluate switch expression. Okay. So if the expression value is similar like case value 1, for example, we will execute the statement, the essential statement that belong to case value 1. Okay. If the case value, if the case in this example, case value 1 has break, so we will automatically exit from the switch structure. Okay, we will continue with the next statement. Okay, if there is no break here, since break is an optional. Okay, after we execute action statement for case value 1, okay, for example, the value of expression is similar to case value 1. We also need to execute all the statement until we reach to the end of the switch structure. Okay, so that is why for a good programming practice, we need to put break, okay, for each of the case value. Okay, right. So we look to the rules that apply for switch structure. Okay, so the first rule is when a case value is matched. Okay, all statement after it is executed, okay, until a break is encountered. Okay, so if they don't have a break statement, it will execute until the end of the switch structure is reached. Okay. Okay, rule number two. So if case value is not matched, okay, we will execute the statement following the default level. The statement following the default level execute. Okay, so default is also an optional. Okay, so if no default level, okay, so the action of the switch statement is null, meaning that we do nothing. Yeah, right. So we will look to the example after this. Okay, right. So break statement causes an immediate exit from the switch structure. Okay, so it will save our time. Okay, otherwise we have to execute all the statement until switch structure until the end of the switch structure is reached. Yeah? So we look to this example. Okay, example 4.22. Okay, we consider grade expression. Okay, the grade identifier as has a data type char. Okay, so since it has a data type char, so let's say we have grade, the identifier of grade is C. So what is the output? Okay, so we will compare. Is it grade similar to A? False. Okay, so it will continue with the second case level. Is it grade similar to B? Okay, false. Okay, so it will continue to the next case level. Is it grade similar to C? Okay, since our grade is C. Okay, so it will execute this statement. Okay, so which is it will display the grade point is 2.0. Okay, since it has a break statement here, it will automatically exit from the switch structure. Okay, so let's say our grade is E. So what is the output? Okay, so we will evaluate grade expression. Okay, so we compare, is it grade equal to A? False. Okay, then we continue with the next level. With the next case level, is it grade equal to B? False. Is it grade equal to C? False. Is it grade equal to D? Also false. Is it grade equal to F? It's also false. Okay, thus it will since it has a default statement here, okay, it will execute the statement following the default, which is it will display the grade is invalid. Okay, so if we have grade E, so our result is the grade is invalid. Okay, so what will happen if we don't have default statement here and our grade is E? So it will do nothing. So switch structure return null value. Okay, right class, that's all for switch structure. Thank you for watching.